Welcome to Aidan Piers, home of the original car search, where for over 30 years we've helped drivers like you find the car they really want. A true one-off Range Rover Autobiography, finished in ultra-velocity satin blue, factory-ordered, SVO commissioned. Originally coded as premium palette blue, this is a special order satin finish that no one else on the road has. It's not wrapped, it's not aftermarket. This is Land Rover SVO paintwork, factory applied, warranted and utterly stunning. You're looking at over £6,000 in enhancements, 23-inch Project Carn alloys in gloss black, Continental cross-contact tyres, solid black side steps and satin blue that draws more attention than any SVR. Just 19,000 miles from new, 3 Land Rover main dealer services, freshly serviced by us, MOT to July 2026, HPI clear, mileage warranted, VAT qualifying. This is the full Autobiography spec, semi-aniline leather, 4-zone climate, heated steering wheel, Meridian surround, Apple CarPlay, panoramic roof, soft closed doors, fridge plug socket, privacy glass, everything. Start it up and you're met with Range Rover silence. This is the P400e plug-in hybrid, whisper quiet, powerful, refined and exempt from congestion charges. On the move it's smooth, powerful, commanding, it drives like new, no knocks, no creaks, no stories. Full book pack, 2 keys, charging cable, no surprises, no excuses, everything here exactly as it should be. One former keeper, 1 SVO paint code, 1 truly unrepeatable example. If you missed out on ordering one of these in 2020, this is your second chance. Finance available, part exchange welcome, national delivery arranged, or come and see it yourself in Cheshire, you won't find another. Have the car you really want. Visit aidanpiers.com or call us today.